Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome back to this channel. Get understanding, don't memorize. The last video we considered how to simplify set, simplification of set. Look at, the simplification itself and some solve examples and the exercises. In this video, we are going to consider addition and subtraction of sets. Addition and subtraction of sets. So first of all, we will consider addition. We look at addition first, and then we also consider subtraction. So let's look at what we have written. You say that we can only add and or subtract sets which are alike. What do we mean here? It means that when we are adding sets, we have to add the like terms. Have you seen? So for example, if you have x plus y, we know that if you have x plus y plus 2s minus 3y, if you have something like this and you are simplifying, what you do is you have to group like terms. Have you seen? So this is x, we have x and 2s, so we have the s plus what? 2s, and then we have what? Y, and then minus 3y, so we have plus what? Positive y minus what? 3y. So this is how you do it, and then it's equal to what? So this x and s, they are in terms of what? X and s, so you see they are like what? Terms, because they are all in terms of what? X. The variable is x, and then these are also in terms of what? Y, and these are also like what? Like terms. Yes. So if you want to add it, you have to what? Add the like term, add all the terms involving s together, and then all the terms involving what? Y together. That is what we mean. So for example, if you are adding sets and you have integers and sets, then you add the integers together, you also add what? Sets together. So we will consider examples, so you don't worry. So I'm just using this to let you understand, to explain to you understand, because most often we do arithmetic of what? Arithmetic of these variables. So that is what it means. So this one, if we were to simplify, what do we get? S plus 2 as we get what? Get 3s, and then plus what? Y minus 3y is what? Minus what? 2y. So minus 2y. This is the answer we get. This will be the final answer. Why? We cannot simplify. We cannot subtract 2y from 3y. Why? Because this 3x is not different from what? They are not like terms, because this is in terms of x and this is what in terms of y. Since the variables are different, it means you cannot subtract. In the same way, if you, the sets, for example, if you have square root of what? Square root of 3 plus what? Square root of 2. This you cannot add them, because why? Because they are not like what? Like sets. They are not they are not like terms. They are not alike. Why? Because this is square root of 3 and this is square root of 2. It's just like what? X and what? Y. This is just like s plus y. S plus y, you cannot add them, because s is different from what? Y. The same way, if you have square root of 3 plus square root of 2, this is the final answer. Just as s plus 1 is plus y is the final answer. The same way, if you have this, there is nothing you can do about it. Okay? Yes. So let us note that we are saying that they must be reduced. They must be simplified. That's what we are saying. They must be reduced to their basic form or simplest form first. What do you mean that they must be what? Simplified. The sets must be simplified first. If they are not simplified, they are not before what? Before adding or before addition or subtraction. So before you add the set or subtract the set, you have to make sure that first of all they are simplified. They are simplified completely before you add them or what? Subtract them. So let us look at these examples. Let us buttress our explanation with this example. So that's what we are saying that here. You note here that what? Square root of 3 plus square root of 2, you cannot say is equal to what? 5. You cannot say is equal to square root of 5. Yes. Why? Because square root of 3 is different from square root of 2. You cannot add them. They are not what? Alike. They are not this. If I say they are not like terms, they are different terms. And then if you have square root of what? 5 plus square root of 2, you cannot say the answer is square root of 7. You cannot say that. Okay. So this one, the answer is the same, square root of 5 plus square root of 2. In the same way, square root of 3 plus square root of 2. The answer is still what? Square root of 3 plus what? Square root of what? 2. So let us know that fine. So let us look at these examples or exercises. So the first one is what? Square root of 8 plus square root of 2. So we are supposed to add this. So what we do is that, as we said before, first of all, we have to make sure that if the set is not simplified, then we have to simplify it. If it is not reduced to its simplest or basic form, we have to do so before we add what we add. So we have square root of 8 plus square root of 2. We know that this square root of 2 is simplified completely, but square root of 8 is not simplified. How? because we learned from our previous videos or lessons that if a set is only reduced, a set is simplified if and only if the number under the square root sign does not contain any perfect square, which is what? A factor, which is a factor. So it does it have a factor which is a perfect square? Surely yes. Yes. What is the number or the perfect square is what? 4. 4. So this is equal to what? 8 is the same as what? 4. 4 times 2. Have you seen? So this 8, if you write it as 4 times 2, then plus what? Plus square root of what? Square root of 2. So what is this? Square root of 4 times 2. This is the answer is what? 2 root 2. But let me try to break it for you to you understand or for you to understand. So this one you can separate them as what? Square root of 4, then times what? Square root of what? 2. Then plus what? Square root of what? 2. So this is what you have, okay? Then okay, so let us come up here. So this is equal to what is this? This is 2. So we get 2 plus what? This is square root sorry, 2 times 2 times we get 2 times square root of 2 plus what? Square root of 2, which is equal to what is 2 times square root of 2? 2 times square root of 2 is 2 what? 2 root what? 2 root 2 plus what? Plus this is the root 2. This root 2. What answer do we get? So here they are alike. The terms they are like terms. Why? Because this is square root of 2 and this is square root of 2. So if you add, what do you get? You have 2 root 2 plus what? This is 1 root 2. So you get what? 3 what? 3 root 2. This is the answer. This is what you get. This is the same as, it's similar to what? 2 root 2. This is similar to 2x plus what? Plus 1x or x, which is equal to what? 3s. So that's what we get. So far, if you understand factorization very well, then you know that this one there's a common pattern. A common factor is what? Is root 2, square root of 2. So this one is the same as what? You know this one is the same as 2 times they multiply, 2 times square root of 2 and then plus what? Square root of what? 2. So 2 square root of 2 is a common factor. So you can factorize, you can pull it out. When you have square root of what? 2, then you get 2 here and then plus what? You have 1 here. So we know that factorization, after you have factorized, if you expand, you have to get the same, the original answer. So this one, if you expand, you get square root of 2 times 2 plus square root of 2 times 1, then you get this original answer back. So this one, which is equal to what is, then this is the square root of 2. So to back, what is 2 plus 1? 2 plus 1 is what? 3. So then we have what? Square root of 2 times square root. This is the same as square root of what? Square root of 2 times square root times what? Times 3, which is the same as what? 3 times square root of what? Square root of 2. They are the same. Then what answer do we get? We get 3 what? 3 root 2. Have you seen? Yes. So this is the answer we get. So as we got here. So this is the answer. The answer you get is what? 3 what? 3 root 2. Okay, so let us look at the second example. We have the square root of 3 plus what? 2 root what? 3. Root 3 plus 2 root 3. You know that this one is simplified completely. This one is also, this term is also simplified. And this one square root of 3. So the square root, they are the same. They are like term or they are like. So it means that we can add them. So what do we get here? This is the same as 1 root 3 plus what? 2 root 3. So the answer will be what? The answer will be 3 root 3. Have you seen? The answer will be 3 root 3. So we have to know that this is what? 3 root what? 3 root 3. That is the answer. So if you use factorization to solve this, then what do we get? We got what? This is square root of 3 plus square root 2 root what? Root 3. So this is equal to, can factorize square root of 3 out because it's a common factor. So square root of 3 out. Then what do we get here? We get what? 1. 1 there and then plus what? What do we get here? We get 2. Okay. So this is equal to square root of what? 3 times this is 2. 1 plus 2 is what? 3. Have you seen it? Then this is square root of 3 times 3, that's what it means, which is the same as 3 times square root of 3, since multiplication also what is commutative. So therefore, if you have 8 what? 8 and b is the same as what? B times what? Times 8. So you can just interchange their positions. So it means that if you have square root of 3 times 3, the same as 3 times square root of 3, which is what? 3 root what? 3 root 3. Yeah, so I hope you are following, you are enjoying. Yes. So if you don't even understand this, if you are getting confused, you can use method of factorization to make you, to make it very, to clarify. That's why I'm using the method of factorization to clarify, so that you understand. Okay. So this one we have square root of 80 plus square root of 45. Know that this one is it reduced. Square root of 80 is it reduced? No, it's not reduced. Why? Because we have what? You have this 80 has a factor which is a perfect square. What is that factor? It's what? You can say 4. But it's apart from 4, also it has 16 as what? 16 highest. Yes, so normally you have to take the highest factor, which is a perfect square. Have you seen? Because yes, normally yes, I have to say that. I think I said that in one of the videos. Whenever you are simplifying the set or reducing, make sure that what? Make sure that you take the highest factor, which is a perfect square. Hmm? You have to take the highest factor, which is what? Which is a perfect square. That is it. That is it. How to take the highest factor, which is what a perfect square. So here, somebody can say that 80 4 times what 4 times 20 will give you 80. But know that this 20 also has a factor, which is perfect square, which is 4. So this 80 is equal to what? 4 times what? 20, which is equal to what? 4 times 20 is the same as what? 4 times what? 4 times 5. Have you seen? So this is equal to 4 times 4. So 16 times 5 will give you what? 80. So it's better. So though 4 is a 4, which is a perfect square, is a factor of 80. And at the same time 16, which is also a perfect square, is a factor of what? 80. But it's advisable to take this one. Why? Because 16 is the highest perfect square, which is what? A factor of 40. Because if we take this one, you have to break this further. So we take the highest so that we wouldn't have to simplify it again. Okay. So this one is equal to what? It's equal to, then we have 80 is 16 times what? 16 times 5. It's not reduced, so you have to reduce it. So this is the 80. Okay, plus what? 45. 45 is also 9 times what? 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times what? 9 times 5 is what? So this is what you get. Okay. So what is this? This one is 4 root. The answer is 4 root 5. Yes, 4 root 5. But this 16 will come out. The square root of 16 will come out. And it will be, so let me try to break it down. So, but be very what do you call it, alert and active, so that you know this very soon. And if you are solving objective, you don't have to just worry yourself to go and waste time, because this one is what is 4 root 5 plus what 3 root 5, and then end of the day you are going to get 7 root 5 as your answer. Have you seen? Okay, so let me break it down. So this is 16. You can break them down, put the 16 under its own square root sign, then times what? You put the 5 under its own square root sign, plus what? This is plus the 9 under its own square root sign, and then times what? Square root of 45 under its own square root sign. Have you seen? So this one, what is this? This is equal to 16. Square root of 16 is what? 4. So get 4 times square root of 5. Then plus square root of 9 is what? 3 times square root of what? Square root of 5. Okay. So over here, if you like, you can just simplify square root of 5 out. If you simplify square root of 5 out, what do you? Okay, let me write it. So this is the same as 4 root what? 4 root 5 plus what? 3 root what? Root 5. So this one the same as 4y plus what? 3y. You get 7y. So this, the answer is what? 7 root what? 7 root 5 as your answer. Otherwise, if you like, from here, as I said, from here you can just factorize that 5. So you get the square root of 5 out. Then this is 4. You get 4 here, and then plus, and you get 3 here. Have you seen? So 4 plus 3 is 7. So you get square root of 5 times what? Times 7, which is the same as 7 times square root of 5. Then you get 7 root 5 as you have gotten here. Sorry. As you have gotten there. Yes, guys, I think you are you are enjoying, you're following. Because I said, this is the name of the channel. Get understanding. That's why the name of the channel is what? Get understanding. No, you don't have to memorize. If you understand, you can just handle the thing any way you like. Handle it and manipulate it any way, anyhow, any way you like. I mean, you like it. Okay, so that is it. Let us consider the fourth example. So the fourth example says that 3 root 2 plus what? Root 2. So root 2 the same as there's 1 here, 1 root 2. Have you seen? Fine. Yes. So 3 root 2. This one is simplified. This one is also simplified. So the answer, what do we get? So 3 root 2 plus 1 root 2. You get 4 root 2. 4 root 2 will be the answer. 4 root 2 is the answer. Okay. So if you would like, this root 2 root 2 common factor. You factor root 2 out. Then we get what? 3. 3 here. Or 3 root 2 will give you what? 3 times root 2 times 3 will give you 3 root 2. Then plus what? 1. So 1 times what? Root 2 will give you root 2. And this one is equal to square root of 4. 2. Then what is this? 3 plus 1 is what? 4. So which is the same as 4 root 2 times 4, which is the same as 4 times root 2, which is what? 4 root 2, as we have written here. Yes, nice. Okay, let us look at the fifth example. So this one is reduced. All this example there, this is reduced. This is reduced. Have you seen? So this is 4 root 5 plus what? 3 root 5. It's the same as 4x plus what? 3x, which is what? 7x. So what do we get here? So this one is the same as what? If you like, you can factor square root of 5 out. Then you get what? You get 4, then plus what? 3. Have you seen? Which is equal to square root of 5, and then 2 plus 4 plus 3 is what? 7, which is what? This is the same as what? Square root of 5 times, the same as square root of 5 times what? Times 7, which which is the same as 7 times square root of what? 5, which is equal to 7 root what? Root 5 as your answer. Okay, yes, so that is it. So from here you can just write straight away and get that. So what answer do you get for this? Over here, what do we get? So we get what? 6 root 2 plus 2 root 2. So that definitely we are going to get 8 root 2. Have you seen? So this is the same as 8 what? 8 root what? Root 2. Why? Because this one is the same as 6n plus what? 2n. You get what? 8n. So if you use the method of factorization, then whenever you are factorizing, you factorize the common factor. Have you seen? Factor, so this one 2 is common to both sides, and then square root of 2. But since we are dealing with the sets, then we have also have to factor. We are going to factor only the set, which is what? Square root of what? 2 out. So if you use factorization, you get square root of 2. You pull it out of what's the common factor. Then what do we get here? This 6 times square root of 2. So we get 6 here, and then when you addition sign, what do we get here? We get 2. We get 2 there. Okay, yeah, we get 2. Yeah, so we get 2 here. Okay, then what is 6 plus 2? So this is square root of 2. To bracket 6 plus 2 is what? 8. This is the same as what? 8 times what? Square root of 2, which is what? 8 root what? 2, as we said. Yeah, so guys, hope you are enjoying, you're following. This is not difficult at all. It's very, but yeah, enjoyable. You are just enjoying. Keep enjoying. So let's look at this what? This example. So let's look at this example. You have 3, you are giving 3 root what? 3 root 8. Okay, 3 root 8. 3 root 8 plus what? Plus 3 root 200 plus 3 root what? 200. Okay, put it under the square root sign. Well, then plus what? 2 over 3 root what? Root 162. Root 162. So this is the addition. So what do we get, guys? Let us do this one. 162. Okay, so this is what we have to. If you have to simplify this, what do we get? So this is equal to what? We have 3 there. Okay, I have 3 outside. So you get 3. This is not, note that this square root of 8, this is not reduced. Have you seen? This one is not reduced. None of them is reduced. So we have to reduce them before what we add them. So we get 3 what? This is 3. And then times what? This is the same as 3. 3 times what? 3 times square root of 8. Square root of 8 is 4 times what? 4 times 2. Okay? Yes. Then plus 3. This is the same as 3 times square root of 200. 200 is the same as perfect square, which is a factor of 200 is 100. 100 times 2. So can make it. Okay, so let me make it 100 times 2. Okay, let me make it 100 times 2. 200. I'll make it 100. Can make it 2 times 100. That one doesn't matter. I mean, and then plus what? Plus we have 3 over what? 3 over 2. And then we have 162. 162 is 81 times 2. So we have square root of what? Square root of 81 times what? Times 2. Have you seen? Yes. So this is what we have. Okay. So this is equal to what? Is equal to 3. Then times 4 will come out. Square root of 4 times what? Square root of 2. Okay. Then we have plus. This is the plus 3 times square root of what? 100. Okay. Times square root of what? Square root of 2. Then plus this is 3 over 2. Times what? Times square root of 81. Times square root of what? Square root of 2. Okay. So this is equal to what? What is this? This is 3. You have 3 times. What is square root of 2? 4. Square root of 4 is 2. And times square root of what? Square root of 2. Okay. Then we have this plus plus what? 3 times square root of 100 is what? Square root of 100 is 10. 3 times 10. And then times what? Square root of what? 2. And then we have plus 3 over what? 3 over 2 times square root of what? Square root of 81 is what? 9. Then times what? Square root of 2. Okay, guys. So let us move up here. Continue from here. So what is this one? You see, this is a rational number. This is a rational number. Now that they are integers, so we can multiply them 3 times to give us 6. And we get 6 times what? Square root of 2. Have you seen? Then plus 3 times 10. 3 times 30. 30 times square root of what? 2. And then so we see this one. Then plus what? Plus so you see this one. Sorry, this one is supposed to be this is 2 over 3. Sorry. What is the question? So this is 2 over 3. Not yeah. Oh, sorry, it was even 2 over 3 here. I've seen 2 over 3, but I've changed it. I made it 2 over 2. This is 2 over 3. So it's 2 over 3, guys. I hope you are following. 2 over what? This one is 3. Have you seen? So this is 2 over what? Over 3. It's 2 over. So we have here, this is what we got into this side. So we have plus what? Plus. So this is 2 over 3 times 9. This is over 1. So this 3 will go into 9. How many times? 2. Have you seen? To go into cancel the 3 will cancel 9. Go into 9. 2 times. So 3 2. Yes. Sorry, 3 times 3 now. It's going to 3. How many times? 3. To cancel 3 times 3 is 9. Have you seen? Fine. So this become 2 times 3. So what is, do we get 2 times what? 2 times 3, then times square root of what? 2 as the answer. So this is equal to 6 times square root of 2. Get 6 what? 6 root 2. And then plus what? 30 times square root of 2. Get 30 root what? 2. And then 2 times 3 is 6 plus what? 6 root what? 2. So the final answer is what? 6 plus 30 plus what? 6. 6 plus 6 is what? 12. Everything 12 plus 30, what do you get? So this is 240 what? 42. So the final answer will be what? 42 root 2. That one will be what? Will be the final answer. The final answer is what? 42 root 2. Guys, I hope you are enjoying. Yes, good. I don't have my speed. The way things you understand, you are following. The understanding is what matters. Yes, hope you understand. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being on this channel, guys. As we said, this is sets at your fingertip. You're going to have set at your fingertip. Henceforth, you just be sleeping and you just tap you and you just solve the question, whatever question given. It's not difficult at all. Very simple and fun and very enjoyable. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If it's helping you, subscribe. And that's what the only thing you do is subscribe. Let me know that it's helping you. Keep your comment, coming, share, and hit the bell notification icon, because whenever I upload any lesson, you'll be notified. Thank you for watching. Get a email. Create an email address for the subscription of the channel. Yes. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video, guys.